Hey iPhone users! Looking for a way to understand how mSpy works with iPhones? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at mSpy, its main iPhone monitoring options, the features it offers, and what you should know before choosing a subscription. If you're new to mSpy, it's a monitoring platform designed primarily for situations where you have proper authorization, such as parental safety and managing devices you're responsible for. It can provide access to different types of information depending on the device, setup, and subscription. Although mSpy supports both Android and iPhone devices, this review will focus specifically on the iPhone experience. So, let's start with the ways mSpy can work with an iPhone. One option is based on iCloud synchronization. When an iPhone is properly connected to an authorized iCloud account, certain information can be synchronized and made available through the mSpy dashboard. The exact information available can depend on the iPhone, iOS version, account settings, and Apple's security restrictions. Another option is Wi-Fi synchronization. This approach is designed to work with a computer-based setup and can provide access to additional categories of information from a compatible iPhone. The setup process generally involves installing the required software on a Mac or PC, connecting the authorized iPhone to the computer, and completing the required synchronization steps. Once the setup has been completed correctly, supported information can become available through the monitoring dashboard. Depending on compatibility, this can include things such as call information, contacts, photos, videos, notes, and activity from supported applications. One thing worth remembering is that iPhone monitoring is more complicated than Android monitoring because Apple's security and privacy systems place restrictions on what third-party services can access. That means you shouldn't assume that every feature advertised by a monitoring service will work on every iPhone. Compatibility can change with new iOS versions, device settings, and changes made by Apple. mSpy may also offer additional functionality for certain supported configurations. Features can include location-related information, activity reports, alerts, and other monitoring tools, but availability can vary depending on the current software version and subscription. The dashboard is another important part of the experience. Instead of checking information separately on a phone, supported data can be organized inside one account, making it easier for an authorized parent or device owner to review activity. Now let's talk about subscriptions. mSpy has offered different plans depending on how long you want to use the service. Pricing and available plans can change, so it's always worth checking the current pricing on the official website before making a purchase. A longer subscription can reduce the average monthly cost, while a shorter plan can make more sense if you only want to test the service for a limited period. So, is mSpy worth considering for iPhone users? If you're looking for a monitoring platform with a broad range of features and you're using it with the necessary permission, mSpy can be an option worth researching. Its main advantage is the range of monitoring and reporting tools available through one dashboard. However, iPhone users should pay particular attention to compatibility. Features can vary between devices and iOS versions, so checking the latest supported features before subscribing is important. And there's also the privacy side. Monitoring another person's device should always be done legally and transparently, with appropriate permission or parental authority. The goal should be safety and responsible device management, not secretly accessing someone's private information. Overall, mSpy is a feature-rich monitoring platform that has continued to evolve as smartphones and mobile applications have changed. If you're interested in checking the latest features, supported devices, and current subscription options, use the link in the description and review the information before making your decision. And that's our quick look at mSpy for iPhone. If this review helped you understand how the platform works, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more app reviews and technology guides.